Hi everyone. As I stated before, March is National Kidney Disease Awareness Month, and I am going to be doing another recipe from the Northwest Kidney Centers. 37 million people suffer from kidney disease. So tonight I'm making cider cream chicken. So what all goes into the cider cream chicken? 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts. And I've looked for over a week, and my store does not carry the bone-in, skin-on breast. So I got skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. I don't know if that will make much difference in the recipe itself for the nutritional factors or not, but I'll enclose the regular recipe down below. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3/4 cup apple cider. I have spiced apple cider because unless I wanted a super huge jug, which I don't drink apple cider, I chose to get the spiced apple cider, but the original recipe called for just apple cider. Again, I don't know how much that will affect the nutritional value of this recipe. That's why I'm putting the regular recipe down below so you can follow it correctly for the nutritional value. 1/2 cup of half and half. So let's begin. Take a large skillet, turn the heat on to medium-high, melt your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the skillet. Take your chicken and put it in the pan and brown it on both sides. So the chicken is brown, add your cider and reduce heat to medium. And simmer that for 20 minutes. So remove the chicken to a plate. And boil the cider until it reduces down to about 1/4 cup. So the cider has reduced down. Take your half and half and pour in with the cider. And whisk that until slightly thickened. So here is the cider cream chicken, a kidney disease recipe. And rounding out the meal is green beans, and that is also okay for people with kidney disease to eat. So let's see what Dave thinks.
That's pretty good. What is this sauce?
It is cider cream. It is apple cider with half and half.
Oh,
And I used spiced apple cider.
that's different. I think I can just barely get a little bit of the apple cider in the sauce. Just barely, just a hint.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.